Are you stressed with your weekly schedule? Then it's time to create your weekly planner. And you can do it easily right on your mobile phone through this awesome tool called GitMind. To start, kindly open this application. Next is to tap the Create File icon to set up a new file. The editor will then be launched. Now press this icon to change the theme for your file. To change the layout, just go to Menu and then tap Layout to select the outline that you prefer. After that, you can start working on your weekly plan. Add the day, your personal time, your work, and free time. Just keep on adding nodes until all of the tasks are included. If you wish, you can also change the color of the nodes, fonts, and lines. To save the changes made, just press the three-dotted menu and tap Save. And that's how to make weekly plan on your phone. Thanks for viewing. See you on the next video.